Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobby, so I'm back again with another awesome video. So guys, this one is for the fitness enthusiast, and we have not one but 4 products from MyCandy, and I'm going to tell you everything about it. But before I do that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you keep getting all the notifications and I keep getting all the motivation to keep bringing these awesome videos to you. The button right down there, and there's a bell icon next to it, so please don't forget to press that along with the subscribe button. So fitness, it's all about fitness at MyCandy, and they have just come up with this amazing set of 4 pieces which becomes your perfect fitness companion. So I'm gonna go grab that. It's sitting right behind me. So these 4 products are absolutely stunning. We have the 4 products right here. We have the fitness band, we have the smartwatch, we have the weighing scale, the smart weighing scale, and the unique, never seen before, the smart water bottle. So these are 4 products from MyCandy, and we're going to unbox it and tell you every single thing about it. So don't go anywhere and press the subscribe button right away. Hi guys, I'm back and we are starting to unbox the MyCandy fitness kit. So let's start with the big boy right here, which is the smart weighing scale. So let's get that big boy out of the way. Inside the box, we just got this paperwork and the smart weighing scale with the measuring tape and the set of batteries. So we're going to keep the measuring tape and the batteries and the booklet right here. Take this boy out from here. As you can see, beautiful, elegant looking in the front, on the top, and at the back we've got the battery point and the weighing sensors on all 4 corners at the back right here. And they've put this small little thing right here, which is basically to scan the MyCandy and get the MyCandy app from your iOS or your Android devices. So let's get this right on the side. Next is the fitness band, actually the simpler ones first. Getting straight out, 2 simple beautiful things. We've got the fitness band, which can be snapped out from the case for the charging just in case, and then we have the USB magnetic charger right here with it. So we're going to keep this here and keep the rest of the things down. Getting on to the smartwatch, we have the band, the smartwatch itself. All you have to do is simply slide it in. Let's see what's inside under the box. We've got the magnetic charger, and we've got another set of band, and this is let's take this out. This is a Milanese loop magnetic band. So let's put this one on. This looks elegant. So we are going, I don't know which one goes where, but we're going to slide one of them in each side so we know where it is going. So here, that's the Milanese loop ready for us. So we're going to keep rest of the things on the side, and of course there is a booklet right here which tells you every single thing about it. So let's keep this one back inside and move on to the last product of the 4, which is the smart fitness bottle. Nothing inside the box, so we're going to keep this on the side. Smart fitness bottle, elegant looking, beautiful looking, I mean, wow. And then there is on top the button which we press and it should turn on. Yes, it does. As you can see, the white light turns on and the display. We're going to remove the sticker from the top. We'll do that. Let's find out what's inside it. Inside it is some silica to keep it fresh and the micro USB charging cable to charge this bad boy cap right here. Now there's all these 4 things packed some amazing features, and we're going to tell you all about them one at a time. So don't go anywhere. I'll see you guys soon. Hello guys, I'm back and we've just finished unboxing this MyCandy fitness kit, which has 4 amazing products: the smart bands, the smartwatch, the smart weighing scale, and the smart water bottle. Now, all those 4 things are a perfect companion for your fitness, and if you are a fitness guy, you need to get your hands onto this. I'm going to put a link in the description for all the 4 products, from where to buy them, and you can go straight ahead. If you have any questions, do leave us a comment below. Let's start with the smartwatch. It is amazing. It looks amazing. It is fantastic. Let's get this cover out. Beautiful. 45 mm IPS screen, which is amazing. And then we have with us the this is IP67 water and dust resistant as well, and it comes with this beautiful metallic black metal Milanese loop. You can also make Bluetooth calls. It has a Bluetooth call mic as well. It has the rotating button on the side, and the box includes the chargeable band, and of course it's a sports band, the Milanese loop that we just saw. It has a standby time of 3 days, and it has over 20 display styles. It has multiple sports mode. It monitors your sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, temperature, steps, calories. Amazing stuff. It also has mobile phone camera shutters as well, just in case you want to use that. Beautiful looking watch, amazing stuff. Then we have the fitness tracker, which has 30 different workout modes, and it also does blood oxygen, heart rate, and sleep and stress monitoring as well. Now, it looks elegant. It is a simple, elegant looking piece. Let's remove the cover on the top side so that you can see it. This is also designed to be IP67 water resistant, and the magnetic charger comes that along. It has 4 to 7 days of working depending on which mode you're using on, and has standby time of 45 days. And this has a 0.96 inches of TFT display and supports Android 4.4 and above and iOS 8.5 and above. Now, coming down to the hero product for me, which is the smart bottle. It has 1-minute UV filtration. It has a beautiful bright up LED display on the top, and when you sync it with the app, it constantly reminds you to drink water. And inside there is an insulation which keeps the water warm and cold, and you can check the water temperature right on top. This is a 450 ml bottle, which is amazing. That means this, and if it can keep my coffee warm and my water cold and keeps reminding me, fantastic. Now comes the smart weighing scale. Now, it measures the body weight, of course. It measures the BMI, fat percentage, muscle weight, etc. So it's quite an advanced unit itself. These metal electrodes that you see on the top do the magic and automatically measure the body impedance to provide you accurate BMI and the accurate weight. It can support up to 180 kgs, and the idea is to bring you down from that to the optimal weight. And of course, the smart LED display right here. As you can see, we've used it, and this is a perfect, fantastic kit, and we are giving you a chance. 4 people, 4 products, 4 winners, and you have the chance to win these 4 bad boys from us, from MyCandy. So all you have to do is just subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook as well. Leave a comment on our YouTube and all other channels, and let us know what you think, and give this video a thumbs up, and we will select 4 winners, who each one will get one of these products from us. So guys, let's not waste time. Let's get on to pressing that subscribe button and all the things that we just spoke about for you to win this. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off and keeping you fit with MyCandy Fitness Kit. Peace.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock. Electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
you are not as tough as
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I can change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want,